Hello and welcome. Uh, so we are with our collaborators from Finnish Meteorological Institute, and this has been ongoing activity since last 3 years when we first met to better understand the aerosols and the atmospheric conditions over Himalayas. Uh, so today we are gathered here to continue our collaboration for next 5 years, and we are going to announce a MOU at Director's Office after this. The chief guest being Professor Petteri Taalas. He is the Director General of Finnish Meteorological Institute now, and previously he adorned a lot of important positions, and we are very happy to have you here, sir. And then we also have senior scientists from Finnish Meteorological Institute Atmospheric Composition Group, Dr. Antti Häiverian and Dr. Rakesh Huda. They have visited IIT Madras previously also in 2002 when we started interacting. They also hosted me last year under the Global Engagement Young Mobility Faculty Grant, and this collaboration has turned out to be very wonderful for us. We have instigated important facilities, and I would also like you to comment how was your experience with IIT Madras collaboration and what do you see. We also have with us Madam Councillor from Finnish Embassy, and I think you had the education policy over
and
there.
science,
Yes.
science
So
and education.
yes, so you all can also comment and express your feelings from it, starting with that.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity to visit IIT Madras, and I have been collaborating with India for more than 25 years, and what I have just seen, I'm very impressed of the overall development which is going on in India in general, but especially I'm very pleased to visit number one research site of the whole country. And I have been very impressed of the startup things that I have seen already, and we have as mankind we have major challenges, especially climate change, and also here in India you have major challenges with air quality, and solutions how to mitigate climate change and how to adapt to the climate change. Those are needed, and I'm very much looking forward to such businesses, and I'm sure that the Indian scientists can also be part of that. And of course the Indian government has to play a role also in mitigation. You have a major impact. You will be a major victim of climate change, sea level rise, melting of Himalayan glaciers, availability of water in the rivers, more intense tropical storms, and also the air quality problem that you are having. So there's also a good reason for India to be more active in climate mitigation affairs, and I hope that these research facilities here will be part of the solution that is needed both here in India and also globally.
Okay, it's my pleasure also to join here and to work together with my colleague Dr. Chandan. Like he said, that we have been working now for about 3 years, but that has been small scale. And now with the signing of the MOU, I'm really happy that we can start a more large scale collaboration. We have good funding already for the next 4 years to work together. And personally, I have been also seeing the Indian atmospheric science field for the last 20 years. And I'm really excited now to be here in Chennai and study together for the first time as tropical site and a coastal site, to understand really what is going on with air quality and climate change here in India, where situation is changing rapidly and will change in the coming years as well. I'm very happy to work with Dr. Chandan. I'm excited to be here.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's been our pleasure basically to have this opportunity to visit IIT Madras, and we have now more than 3 years of research collaboration with IIT Madras, and we started with the initial support from IC and SR of IIT Madras, and it was a very seeding sport basically in starting with the observatories basically. But now with our prolonged discussions, now it evolved in a covering of atmospheric sciences, be it air quality or be it glaciers study basically over the Himalayas. So I do have this opportunity here being with the Professor Chandan and his colleague in the civil engineering department to work together in terms of understanding the aerosol processes and how we can convert that understanding to the numerical modeling aspects and further to enhance our understanding towards the extreme weather forecasting tools basically, which we can work in operationalized form. So again, we are looking forward and we are working very closely with IIT Madras from Finnish Meteorological Institute, and I hope this signing of MOU with the IIT Madras today will give a kind of new milestone to our collaboration. Thanks.
So regards from the Embassy of Finland as well. And in addition, what all the colleagues from the Finnish Meteorological Institute have already said, I would say that it's really, really important what they are doing here with IIT Madras with the topics of sustainability and climate change. And it would also give a good start for other collaboration with other universities in Finland and topics such as sustainability, but also technology which is supporting all these sustainability initiatives. So I think that the new virtual center would be serving as a hub for all the collaboration between Finland and IIT Madras.